Hi, my name is Mikołaj and I'm going to replace oxygen sensor on my Ford Focus. My pre-catalytic converter oxygen sensor failed and I purchased a replacement one on Amazon. It's part number 17321 and you will need a specialty tool to replace oxygen sensor. Specialty tool is this particular socket that is cut out for the wiring for the oxygen sensor, so you can just put it over and that allows you to put a higher torque when removing the old one or putting the new one in. This is a 7/8 socket, and it's kind of funny because this is the second time for me replacing oxygen sensor in my life, and the first one was replaced 15 years ago on Volkswagen Jetta, and I used exactly this socket, so I wasn't quite sure if it's the same size that's used on the Ford Focus, and it fits perfectly, so I don't have to spend any money on any tools this time around. Okay, let's get started. Let's get some additional light. Okay, and my oxygen sensor is right there, and it is connected with this blue wire just like on my replacement all the way up here. So we need to disconnect this wire, remove it. There it goes. So here's our connector, and here's the connector from the oxygen sensor. Now we will need this socket and a wrench to loosen it up. Might be too long extension. Let's take a look. Yep. Let's see if we need an extension at all. Oh, fits over just fine. Okay. Let's see if I can fit an extension on my wrench. Okay, the toughest part is done. The oxygen sensor is loose. I should be able to use just my hand. This is how oxygen sensor looks after 125,000 miles. Okay, let's put the new one in. Putting the new one in. And at first you just want to use your hand. Okay, that's hand tight. Now we'll take our wrench and tighten it. Oh, you can see how I shake to tighten it down. That should be good. So now I'm going to take the connector, turn it correctly so it can fit in those holes. Click it. You could hear the click. That means it's connected. Now point those pins into the bracket, as you can see right here, and boom, we are home. Okay, so my car is fixed. I have new oxygen sensor. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me thumbs up and please subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.